She's hanging in there. Oh wow, look at that big hole underneath. Yeah. Woo, baby. Yeah, that's amazing. Unbelievable. You mean you haven't? Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Do they normally drip like that?
Yeah.
Do they? Yeah. Wow.
Well, it's trying real hard to get the stuff up top, and that's about, be worse now. That's about a 12 foot, 10 foot cut. You got about 10 foot?
He was all dead up top too.
Okay.
Yeah, see all that brown spot around in the middle, they go rotten.
Yeah. What does that piece weigh right there?
How much it weighs?
7,200 pounds?
Yeah.
Wow.
See, that should weigh at least 12,000 pounds if he was solid.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. Oh. See how solid this one is? This one is already rotten. But it's supposed to be solid wood.
Yeah.
This one is already rotten. Look, all this stuff is rotten already.
Yeah. I was able to put my finger right through the core of the other one.
And this one is hardwood, it's still good.
Yeah.
All this is no good.
So how close is the tree to falling over in a big storm?
Well, it's hard to tell on the streets.
Yeah, right.
There's sometimes they're all hollow, sometimes there's one that is all, doesn't have any rotten spots and stuff, they fall. So it's hard to tell on the trees.
I know.
But I'm for sure, these trees be having a lot of broken limbs.
Yeah. Well, one just a month or two ago.
Yeah.
Totaled the car right here. Did you come here for that? Yeah.
And there was another one on top of the tree.
Oh, really?
See what happened? They're so old, like on those cuts, like in there, see? When it rains, the water just goes in there and stays in there. And that's why it goes down the trunk and it rusts.
Oh, wow. It's going to swing towards him.
How heavy is that one?
Half as much. 3,500?
How much?
4,000.
See, the other one was heavier.
Yeah, but it's eating out half of it inside.
There's a hole right here. You can bury somebody
Yeah, let me see it. Oh my God. Wow. That is unbelievable. Wow. So the live part is only on the very outside?
At the outside, yeah.
Yeah.
All this is rotten.
Oh, this is rotten even.
Yeah, right here is all rotten.
Wow.
See, the only part alive is part. This part right here.
Wow.
See, this is one right here too.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
See, that's only about 12 inches all the way around. Like it's holding the whole tree.
How do they stay up so long without falling over?
Well,
Magic.
Yeah.
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 Wow.
See, and the tops are solid, you know.
Yeah.
Just think all that
Heavy.
weight,
Yeah.
heavy. So now here